Hey Phoenixies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back with a full handmade doll. And as you all know that I've made quite a few handmade dolls on my and you guys just love them. So I decided that I'll make another Indian bride today and just in a different look. So let's get started. So as you know how I make the doll, and my handmade doll just depends on this one process, which is just craft wire and some old newspaper, or you can also use any kind of paper. So basically what I do is that I make my creations using some waste materials which you can easily find at your home, and you don't have to step out of your house or buy some expensive stuffs just to make these. So these are really beautiful and really easy once they are made. So if you want to gift it to someone, or you can just also make this for yourself like I do. So now you can see this is how I make the doll, and this is a little bit in speed. So if you want to see how I actually make the doll really nicely slowly, so you can go and check out on my channel. I've made a doll named Bharatanatyam doll, and in that doll I can show you how you can make this doll very nicely, slowly and easily. And also I make some bottle dolls too. So I've made another Indian doll which is the part 1 of this video, so you can go and check that out as well. And so basically you have to just take a craft wire, make a base of the body, then cover it with some newspapers, give the body a little bit shape, and that's it. You have to do that. Then once you're done with the shape, what you have to do is that you have to take a bowl, put some water in it, and then add some normal glue inside that. Just mix it with your paint brush and start applying it on the body of this doll. So that will help you give the smooth surface which you want to work on, and you can do that. And also you can apply some paper clay if you want, because in my Indian doll part 1 I've made it with paper clay and some plastic bottles, so that's also really easy. So you have to make this paste just out of water and some glue, and that's it. So once you're done, you can also use some newspaper or tissue papers for that. So over here I'm showing you how you can use both of them. Okay, so once this is done, you have to just wait for it to get dried and then scrub it off with some sandpaper. Once you're done with that, you can see this doll is very nicely movable doll, like which you find in the market. So that's what it is, and it's all because of newspaper and basically because of craft wire, because wire is easily bendable. So you have to see and choose your wire correctly. So once you're done with that, you'll start painting the body like I'm doing. So I'm painting the face and the skin areas which are gonna show into the skin color. So I'm using fabric paint over here. You can also use fabric or acrylic paint. Both of them gives you the perfect shine you want for your creations to be, and that's it. So once you're done with that, you have to paint the head also in the desired color, and then the facial expressions, which are eyes, nose, and basically the lips. And over here you can see the face is completely flat, only there is the nose which is made out of very tiny piece of card paper. So you can do the same. You don't have to use your tools just to sculpt out the face expressions, so you don't have to do that. So now let's start making the dress, and for that I'm taking this very beautiful bright red fabric, and then I'm applying this golden lace on top of that, then some golden glitter dots. And once you're done with that, you have to take a very nice piece of golden fabric and cut out some leaves out of it. So I do this in all of my doll dresses. So once you're done with that, what you have to do is that you'll take these two pieces of same fabric, and now you have to take it across way, and now you have to take a needle and thread and just make a frill over here. So once you're done with that, you have to apply these two together. Okay, so once this part is ready, you have to repeat the same thing for the other one as well, and then you have to stick these leaves on the end where you have stuck these two pieces together. So after you're done with that, you have to stick these two parts together just a little bit using hot glue gun, and then from the back side as well. So you don't have to go and stick it all the way through, you just have to stick it on top of that, and once you're done with that you will get something like this. So basically this is the Garara, and it's called Garara. This dress is called Garara. So once you're done with that, you'll see this is what it looks like. So it's basically some flare, very flare pants, and you have to stick it on your doll now. So once it's nice and ready, you can easily stick it out there. Okay, so once that is done, now let's make the top half, which is the kurti, and that's I'm using this very beautiful satin fabric in the same color, and I'll just stick it over here into the form of the kurti. So make sure your kurti does not stay very long, and that's it. You have to just stick it all over the body from the front and then go on to the backwards. So now once this is done, just to make it look more beautiful and expensive, what I'll do is that I'll take this golden mesh fabric, and it's a very heavy golden mesh fabric and very beautiful too. So I'll stick that, and then for the sleeves as well, I'll just stick it on the hand. So basically this will give you an idea of mesh sleeves, and that's what you have to do it over here. So once you're done rolling it onto the hand, you will go and do that same thing on the other one as well. Okay, so now once you're done with that, now let's make the kurti more beautiful. So what I'm doing is that I'll stick some laces, and then these are the jewelries which I made, just some cutouts out of some very beautiful laces. So you have to do that. Then this is the necklace, then these two are the earrings, and then this one is the hand bangle, of course. And once that is done, you'll also stick this part. So it's the jewelry that you wear in the hand through your fingers. So that's what it is. You have to stick that also. Then once you're done with that, now let's go and just take her beautiful hairs. So guys, if you are familiar with my channel, you must know how to make these hairs, because I've shown in my lot of videos. But if you don't know, then you can go and check out any of my doll videos, and you will definitely learn how to make these. These are very easy, and they are just made out of silk threads. So nothing expensive, nothing very dramatic you have to do. Just take some silk thread, and that's it. Then you have to apply this mangtika, and then on the side you have to apply this beautiful same matching jhumar which I've made, and it's basically some cutouts of beautiful laces, and you can also use some gems over here. So some gems and sequins will do the work very beautifully. Now what to do, this is a very beautiful fabric which is mesh fabric in the same color, and I'll just use some sequins and some golden lace, and it will do wonders. So this is what the doll looks like, guys. I am in love with all of my dolls. Guys, subscribe and become a part of my lovely Funix family, because you guys are amazing and I love you all so much. So this was it, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.